Parang ikaw 'to 'no, na alam mo kasi the temperance energy 'no, is the energy of someone here na pero you can flip roles kasi general reading naman ito 'no, pero you're trying here to maintain yung pagiging kalmado. I think meron kang nano-notice 'no, parang sinusubukan mo kumalma pero tingnan mo yung mata mo diyan 'no, yung isa naka-close, yung isa nakabukas. Parang you're observing. And you're focused sa pag-o-observe dito. And you're trying to be patient about the situation. Pero hindi mo napipigilan na yung parang pagpipigil mo rito. Yan 'no, parang parang nakikita ko ritong malapit ka na ritong manapak. So let us see, what is this all about? But the energy is pagpipigil. Parang konti na lang may sasapukin ka na rito 'no, or may sasampalin ka na rito o may susuntukin ka na, you know? Let us see. Yan, hindi natin pinapairal ang pagiging bayolente dito. I am just trying to describe sa inyo guys 'no, kung ano yung na-feel ko dun, sa energy na yun. Okay, just take only what resonates 'no. Kasi yung energy na parang gusto mo ng manampal, manapak, manuntok, but you're trying to hold, eh, your anger. Oh, okay. 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 Hmm, okay. Okay. So, hey there mga my loves collective. Hi and hello sa mga new viewers. Tuloy po kayo. Ako po si Yan. Welcome. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang support. At kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link po niyan is down below sa ating description box. So, dyan sa channel na yan mga babes, no, ako din yung nandyan. At yun nga na may daily uploaded readings din tayo dyan for my collective people, no? So, ano man yan zodiac sign mo, welcome ka dyan. Just take only what resonates, okay? Sa mga nandoon na, thank you po sa inyong walang patid na pagtambay. So, yun nga mga babes, no? Wala tayong gender po dito. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat po kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong pagpalit-palitin yung mga roles if you want, since this is general reading. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will with you na free nyong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So nakikita ko dito na with the Lover's card energy right here, Four of Cups. Yeah. Mga masakit yung ulo natin. You know? Kasi, nakikita ko kayo rito, no, na naiinis kayo, no, medyo nagagalit kayo, no, and kayo itong mga babes, no, na posibleng meron kayong kakonek dito na lumalabas that with the Lover's card energy, pwedeng kayo to na nagkakaroon na rito ng mutual understanding, no, like, you both know that you have the same feelings for each other, that you are on the same page, yan, no, na parehas ninyong like ang isa't isa, no? Kumbaga parang you're already communicating, no, in a heart space level, but you're not yet officially together or you're not yet officially kayo, no? Pero malapit nang maging kayo, no? So, yung iba naman, pwedeng kayo na with the lover's card energy, like person mo na siya, no? Kumbaga boyfriend, girlfriend ka na niya, no? Like, meron na kayong relationship. Yan, na may relasyon na kayong dalawa. Kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, ano bang dahilan diyan, Miss yan? Bakit ba ako parang masakit yung ulo ko diyan? Bakit ba parang naiinis ako diyan sinasabi mo? Kasi nakikita ko dito 'no, that with the Six of Wands energy and there's this Three of Coins energy right in here and the very strong Seven of Swords, nakikita ko dito that your person is quite popular, you know? Your person right here, no, is quite popular. Yan. So, lumalabas dito mga babes, no, na yung person mo dito is possible na may mga taong kumukonek sa kanya at posibleng opposite gender. Yan, yung iba naman pwedeng same gender, LGBTQs, of course, welcome din kayo, no? But your person here, it's noticeable, lalo na ikaw, you have that radar, no? O radar dito, no? Na parang meron ka ritong Bluetooth na napapansin mo ritong lapitin ng person mo rito, no? Ng mga people around him or her, no? So, nakikita ko dito that your person's personality is really, maganda, no? Yung personality ng person mo, no, is mabait siya, ano, puwedeng matulungin, 'no, mabilis hingan ng pabor, 'no, and your person's personality is so bright, 'no, na parang para siyang liwanag dito na tinatawag niya rito yung mga energies, 'no, to come forth sa kanya. So, nakikita ko rito na naiinis ka rito, 'no, 'yan. So, parang ikaw 'to mga babes, 'no, na parang gusto mo ritong bakuran with the presence of Nine of Wands energy or harangan, no, for protection na para hindi makalapit itong mga other energies dito, no. Alam mo yung parang energy na nagke-crave sila for your person na parang, "Andito ang liwanag," 'no, parang galing sila dun sa ano 'no, sa klase ng energy na they're very attracted na parang galing sila dun sa madilim na lugar 'no, and your person siya yung nagliliwanag dito kaya lumalapit rito yung mga tao sa kanya. So, nakikita ko dito that naiinis ka rito, mga babes 'no, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya tapos nadadamay na lang din dito yung person mo 'no. Parang ikaw 'to 'no, na parang kunwari may situation dito 'no, na kung saan puwedeng let's say sa trabaho na maaaring magkatrabaho kayong dalawa 'no, pero yung iba sa inyo puwedeng, magkaibigan yung magkakaibigan kayo rito 'no. So, meron ditong situation na kung saan puwedeng nilalapitan siya rito ng other friends ninyo or other friends niya or ng other colleagues or other coworkers ninyo, 'no? And sabi ko nga sa inyo, 'no, may pleasing personality ang iyong person. That's why, people keep coming to him or her, 'no? At naiinis ka rito na parang gusto mong harangan, "Ep! Anong kailangan mo? Diyan ka lang. Mga limang hakbang palayo sa person ko. Diyan ka lang. Puwede mo naman siyang kausapin." Yun 'no. So, nakikita ko na parang you're feeling na um, parang anytime 'no, puwedeng ma-stole or ma-steal, I mean, yung person mo from you guys 'no. So, this is you 'no, na parang dadamay na rin yung person mo rito 'no, kahit alam mo naman na love ka niya 'no. Parang yung inis mo na tumatawid sa person mo din 'no. Naiinis ka sa mga people sa paligid niya na lumalapit sa kanya rito asking for help 'no, 'yan 'no. And your person here 'no, cannot say no to these people and your person here is parang, um, ina-approach niya yung mga tao 'no, with a smile 'no. So, parang ikaw 'to na lumalapit ka sa person mo, sinasabi mo sa kanya naiinis ka sa kanya, 'yan 'no. Parang, Utsima 'no, parang huwag kang mag-smile, don't smile, 'yan 'no, lalo na 'pag in front of other people, 'yan 'no, 'yan 'no. Parang don't smile, Utsima, 'yan 'no. Kasi parang sinasabi mo sa kanya rito 'no, na parang don't act cute in front of other people, 'yan 'no. You're just telling your person here simply na parang Huwag kang mag-smile sa harap ng ibang tao. Don't act cute in front of other people. Don't smile, yan, no? So, parang you're telling na inaamin mo talagang your person is cute. Or, it's like also showing na you're too affectionate for your person here. Yan, no? Like you're protecting your person and your person here is actually, no, natutuwa siya dito sa ganitong klase ng gestures and actions mo, no? Na parang, this is you telling your person here na not to act cute in front of other people. It's like, this is you. This is so annoying. Nakakainis, you know? Ta's parang ikaw 'to, you're always interrupting na, "Ako nagagawa niyan, dun ka na, ako natutulong sa kanya." 'Yan, 'no? So, parang ikaw 'to mga babes 'no, you're overthinking, 'no? And this is such a burden here for you with the 10 of, Wands energy, 'no? But, you know, your person here, it looks like with the Ace of Cups at the center of the reading and the presence of Moon card energy, you do not know how much your person likes you. Yeah, alam mo na like ka niya rito, no? Alam mo na love ka niya rito, no? Alam mo, mga babes, no, na this person here is um, parang big fish na na-caught mo from the sea or from the ocean of other fishes na nandudun, diba? So, nakikita ko rito that this person here is for you is parang big catch, no? So, ayaw mo itong makuha ng iba. At alam mo naman na meron din siyang feelings for you. It's just that it is so annoying kapag ka nakikita mo, no, na parang jelly-jelly type ka, na parang jealous-jealous ka, no, na parang other people right here, no, keeps on being attracted sa yung person, no. So, nakikita ko rin dito na parang sinasabi mo na, ano ba to? Parang dito sa relasyon namin, parang nagiging palaaway ako. With the Five of Swords energy, nakita ko rito, no, na parang this is you, parang nagiging matare ka with other people, no? Because you're just trying to protect your what is yours. Yan, no? You're just protecting here what is yours. So, nakita ko dito mga babes, no? Don't over-exhaust yourself here. Huwag niyo masyadong mag-worry dito sa situation na 'to, huwag ka masyadong mag-alala, ganyan, 'no? Kasi your person here, hindi siya dito mai-steal from you. Hindi siya dito maagaw from you. Because your person here, okay, what you knew about this person's love for you is more than what you think. Okay? Excuse me. So, okay, it looks like, no, my throat chakra is reacting right now. So it looks like, no, hindi lang talaga nababanggit ng person mo talaga in words, no, how much he or she loves you. But this person here cares for you so much. Yan. So nakita ko rito that free yourself from worries because there's nothing to worry. Okay? Okay? 걱정 마세요. Ano, huwag kang mag-alala. Do not worry because this person here will not leave you. Okay? But this person here will continue to love you. Okay? And nakita ko rito, no, na your person here finds you cute as well. Okay? Because you're acting like this. So don't stress too much, no? This is such a cute reading here, no? So, nakita ko dito that you just want to protect here what's yours. And no need to protect this person here because, see, we have here the Two of Cups energy and the Ten of Cups. Your person already sees a future here with you. Your person already decided from long time ago that you are the one he or she, no, gonna marry someday. Okay? Kaya you do not need to worry. Okay? No need to worry at all. Just relax, keep it chill, know that your person here loves you so much. Okay? Parang ikaw 'to 'no, na every time na magseselos ka ng ganito, every time you try to, push these people away from your person here, okay? You just need to relax, calm down 'no? Parang kayo 'to napakalmahin niyo yung sarili ninyo na parang, "Okey, tinutulungan lang naman sila ng person ko dahil mabait yung person ko." But walang mali siya, okey? At the end of the day, akin pa rin siya, ako pa rin yung mahal niya, 'yan. And I need to trust my person. And also, again, itong person na 'to 'no, yeah, you can definitely trust him or her because this person here is showing a lot of love for you, okey? And tama ka, wala naman talagang mali siya yung pagtulong niya sa iba, 'no? And nakikita ko rito 'no, na yeah, in love talaga yung person mo 'no, at meron naman talagang mga energies na nai-inlove dito sa kanya, 'no? But you are the person. Ahem, ahem. Puwedeng dumistansya ka ng konti kasi boyfriend ko 'yan or girlfriend ko kasi 'yan, eh, 'yan. So, parang ikaw 'to ano, na parang, um, you do not need to get stressed in this type of situation here. Just know that your person here loves you and it's true. Nakikita ko 'yun dito. 'Yan. So, siguro ang dami talagang lumalapit sa boyfriend mo 'no, sa girlfriend mo dito, sa person mo 'no, for you to be able to feel like this, but, eh, dito wala talagang problema, okey? So, huwag ka na magpa-stress 'no, magkaka-wrinkles ka lang niyan. At saka, you're just attracting here more negative energies papunta sa'yo, so stop overthinking. Your person here loves you. Okay? So, lalo na pagka yung person mo kasama mo sa trabaho 'no, hindi mo talaga maiiwasan na everytime na titingin ka sa kanya daming lumalapit 'no, or other girls reacting like, "Oh, ang cute-cute talaga ng boyfriend ni Collective, sana ako na lang yung girlfriend niya," 'no, or vice versa 'no. "Ang cute-cute talaga ng girlfriend ni Collective, sana ako na lang yung boyfriend niya," ayan 'no. So, nakikita ko rito 'no, na pagdating sa person mo 'no, eh, hindi mo na siya kailangang bakuran dito. Dahil naka-shield ang puso niya rito, ang kanya ritong isipan, naka-lock only sa'yo. 'No. Kaya naman, 걱정 마세요. Do not worry. So yeah, okay, this is very clear 'no, and um, napakasimpleng mensahe dito 'no. Pero siyempre mga babes 'no, this is something here that we've got for today, okay? So it's like a confirmation right here that your person here loves you so much, more than you'll ever know. So yeah, ito yung mga mensahe for you and thank you so much sa oras mo. Muli ako po si Yan, Sarang Heyo Love and Light. Annyeong.